Japan, often called the land of the rising sun, is a country known for its blend of cutting-edge technology, deep-rooted traditions, and breathtaking natural beauty. Today, it stands as one of the world's most popular travel destinations, welcoming millions of visitors every year. But this openness is actually a relatively modern development. For more than 2 centuries, from the 1600s to the mid-1800s, Japan remained largely closed to the outside world under a policy of isolation known as Sakoku. During this time, the nation developed a unique culture, a stable society, and a strong internal economy, laying the foundation for modern Japan. So how did Japan transform from an isolated island nation into one of the most advanced countries in the world? This is the story of Japan. Early beginnings. The islands that form modern Japan have been inhabited for tens of thousands of years. Early settlers arrived from mainland Asia, bringing knowledge of farming and metalworking, which helped establish the first permanent communities. By the 3rd century CE, a centralized political system began to emerge in the Yamato region. This system was led by an emperor, a figure who would remain central to Japanese identity for centuries. Cultural influence from China and Korea played a major role in shaping early Japan. Buddhism was introduced in the 6th century, and later political reforms reshaped the government to resemble Chinese imperial systems. In 794, the capital was established in Kyoto, marking the beginning of a long period of cultural development. However, over time, political power shifted away from the emperor and into the hands of regional elites. Rise of the samurai and shogunate. As central authority weakened, powerful warrior clans rose to prominence. These groups, supported by skilled samurai, fought for control of the country. In the late 12th century, one such clan established a military government known as the Shogunate. While the emperor remained a symbolic figure, real power rested with the shogun, the military leader of Japan. This system of rule would continue for nearly 700 years. Mongol invasions and internal struggles. In the 13th century, Japan faced invasion attempts from the Mongol Empire. Both attempts failed, largely due to powerful storms later remembered as Kamikaze, or divine winds. Despite surviving these invasions, internal tensions grew. Conflicts between regional warlords led to centuries of instability, especially during the Warring States period, when Japan was divided into competing territories. European contact and unification. In the 16th century, European traders, particularly the Portuguese, arrived in Japan. They introduced firearms and Christianity, both of which had a significant impact. Firearms quickly changed warfare, and powerful leaders used them to unify the country. By the late 1500s, Japan was brought under centralized control after years of conflict. The Edo period and isolation. In the early 1600s, a new government known as the Tokugawa Shogunate took power. This era, called the Edo period, brought long-lasting peace and stability. However, to maintain control and limit foreign influence, Japan adopted a strict isolation policy. Foreign trade was heavily restricted, and most outsiders were not allowed to enter the country. Despite this isolation, Japan's economy, culture, and population grew significantly. Arts, education, and infrastructure flourished during this time. The end of isolation. By the mid-10th century, pressure from Western nations forced Japan to open its borders. In 1853, American ships arrived and demanded trade access. Unable to resist militarily, Japan agreed. This marked the end of isolation and the beginning of rapid transformation. The Meiji Restoration and Modernization. In 1868, political power was restored to the emperor in an event known as the Meiji Restoration. Japan began a rapid process of modernization, building railways, adopting Western technologies and reforming its military and education systems. Within a few decades, Japan had transformed into a modern industrial nation. Expansion and World War II. As Japan grew stronger, it expanded its influence across Asia. This led to conflicts with neighboring countries and eventually involvement in World War II. In 1941, Japan attacked Pearl Harbor, bringing the United States into the war. After years of intense fighting, the war ended in 1945, following the atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Japan surrendered and entered a period of reconstruction under Allied supervision. Post-war recovery and economic rise. After the war, Japan adopted a new constitution and focused on economic growth. Over the next few decades, it became one of the world's leading economies, known for innovation in technology, automobiles, and electronics. Modern Japan. Today, Japan is a global leader in technology, culture, and economic development. Its journey from isolation to global influence is one of resilience, adaptation, and transformation. This is DBA, the Universe Documentary. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more deep history and global stories.